Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E14 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with finding the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. So let's first of all switch to the video one, which is right here next to the photo. And if you can see the red dot inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now, fortunately, the option connected with the resolution is highlighted in this option bar. As you can see right here, and right in the middle, we've got the resolution. So we can simply tap on it to change it. We had FHD, right now we've got HD, and FHD again. If you're not really sure whether you like this option or not, you can unroll the top bar just by tapping on this on this arrow, and it will be opened on the full screen, let's say, and the resolution ratio is right here. So you can simply change it just by tapping on a specific option. Whichever option is highlighted, it means that it has been applied, and from now on your device will use it whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.